Want to transform your portfolio with dividend growth ETFs? Wondering how to invest smartly for sustainable growth and income? Let's dive into the fascinating world of exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which focus specifically on dividend growth. In the vast ocean of investment options, dividend growth ETFs are like the sturdy ships, sailing steadily towards a prosperous future. They are a type of ETF that invests in companies that regularly grow their dividends. The aim is to generate a steady stream of income, coupled with capital appreciation over the long term. These ETFs are built around the simple yet powerful concept of compounding. Reinvesting dividends can lead to exponential growth over time, a fact that Albert Einstein famously referred to as the eighth wonder of the world. But why should you consider dividend growth ETFs? Well, they offer three key benefits. First, they provide a reliable income stream. In volatile markets, this can act as a safety net, cushioning your portfolio against drastic price swings. Second, they offer potential for capital appreciation. Companies that consistently raise their dividends are often financially stable and well-positioned for growth. And third, they offer diversification. With a single investment, you get exposure to a broad range of companies across various sectors. In this video, we'll be focusing on 4 standout dividend growth ETFs that could potentially transform your portfolio. These are the ProShares MSCI Europe Dividend Growers ETF EUDV, the ProShares MSCI EAF Dividend Growers ETF EFAD, the FlexShares International Quality Dividend Dynamic Index Fund IQDG, and the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF VG. Each of these ETFs has its unique features and advantages, offering different ways to tap into the power of dividend growth. So, are you ready to revolutionize your investment portfolio? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into each of these ETFs and reveal how they can revolutionize your investment portfolio. Hello viewers, if you are enjoying this content and you do not want to miss future videos filled with even more tips, tricks, and inspiration, hit that subscribe button now to stay tuned with us, and remember to comment and share. First up on our list is the ProShares MSCI Europe Dividend Growers ETF, or EUDV for short. This fund has carved a niche for itself by focusing on companies in the European market that have a consistent track record of increasing their dividends. But what does this mean? Well, imagine you're an investor who's looking for a steady income stream. You'd be interested in companies that not only pay dividends but also increase them over time. That's where EUDV comes in. It provides exposure to European companies that have grown dividends for at least 10 consecutive years. Now, you might be wondering, why European stocks? The European market is filled with robust companies that have been around for decades, if not centuries. These companies have weathered multiple economic storms and have proven their resilience. By investing in EUDV, you're essentially tapping into this resilience. But that's not all. EUDV also offers the benefit of diversification. As the saying goes, never put all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different geographical regions, you reduce the risk of being heavily impacted by a downturn in any one area. Let's talk numbers for a moment. EUDV has a net asset value of over $200 million, and it's been steadily growing since its inception in 2015. And while past performance is not a guarantee of future results, the fund's steady growth is a testament to its strategy's effectiveness. So what are the potential benefits of investing in EUDV? First off, you get exposure to a wide range of sectors, including healthcare, consumer discretionary, and industrials, to name a few. This gives you a broad market exposure, which can be beneficial in times of market volatility. Additionally, the fund's focus on dividend growers can provide a steady income stream, which can be particularly appealing for income-focused investors. In conclusion, EUDV offers a unique blend of exposure to European dividend growers, diversification across sectors and countries, and potential for steady income. If you're looking to diversify your portfolio with European stocks, EUDV might be worth considering. Next, we have the ProShares MSCI EAF Dividend Growers ETF, otherwise known as EFAD. EFAD is a fascinating creature in the world of exchange-traded funds. Its primary focus is on companies from the EAFE region, which stands for Europe, Australasia, and the Far East. But it's not just any companies EFAD is interested in. No, it specifically targets those that have consistently increased their dividends. Now, why is this noteworthy, you might ask? Well, consistent dividend growth is often a sign of a company's financial health, stability, and potential for sustained growth. And that's precisely what EFAD is banking on. It's a strategy that's built on the belief that dividends are not just the cherry on top of your investment cake, but a key ingredient in the recipe for long-term financial success. So how has ETFs been doing? Quite well, actually. It has shown solid performance and has proven to be a reliable addition to many investment portfolios. Its returns have been competitive, and it's been able to maintain a consistent dividend yield. But ETFs isn't just about performance, it's also about diversity. By investing in ETFs, you're gaining exposure to a wide range of companies across various sectors and countries. This can help to spread risk and potentially increase returns. And let's not forget about the potential for currency appreciation. With ETFs, your investments are spread across multiple currencies. So if one currency rises in value, you could see an additional boost to your returns. In the end, ETFs offers a unique blend of performance, diversity, and potential for growth. It's a tool designed to help you tap into the power of dividend growth and make the most of your investments. So whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio, or a newbie eager to dip your toes into the world of ETFs, ETFs is worth considering. For those interested in investing in the EAFE region, ETFs could be a viable option. Moving on to the FlexShares International Quality Dividend Growth Index Fund, or IQDG. This fund takes a slightly different approach to dividend growth investing. Instead of focusing solely on domestic companies, IQDG spreads its wings across the globe, investing in international companies that show promising prospects for increasing their dividends. The fund's investment philosophy is rooted in a proprietary scoring model, which assesses the dividend growth potential of a company based on factors like profitability, management efficiency, and cash flow. This unique approach allows IQDG to identify companies that are not only likely to increase their dividends, but also exhibit strong fundamentals, adding a layer of stability to your portfolio. Now, you might be thinking, why should I care about international dividend growth? Well, the answer lies in the concept of diversification. By investing in international companies, you're spreading your investment risk across different economies and markets. This can help protect your portfolio against fluctuations in any one particular market. But let's not just talk about potential, let's talk about performance. Since its inception, IQDG has delivered solid performance. It's consistently ranked among the top performers in its category, demonstrating its ability to generate attractive returns while also providing a steady stream of income through dividends. But it's not just about returns, it's also about risk, and IQDG manages that quite well. Its focus on quality companies that exhibit strong fundamentals helps to mitigate the risks associated with international investing. So while you're gaining exposure to the growth potential of international markets, you're not taking on excessive risk. So whether you're a seasoned investor looking to diversify your portfolio or a newbie just getting started, IQDG offers a unique and compelling proposition. It brings together the potential for capital appreciation, the stability of quality companies, and the promise of growing dividends, all wrapped up in one neat package. IQDG offers an interesting approach to dividend growth investing by focusing on international companies. Finally, let's take a look at the Vanguard Dividend Appreciation ETF, or VIG. As the name suggests, this ETF is all about appreciation, not just in the sense of growing fond of your investments, but also in the sense of growing your wealth over time. VIG stands out in the crowd, focusing on U.S. companies. We're talking about those with a proven track record of increasing their dividends. It's not about the highest yield here, but rather the consistency and growth of the dividends. It's like a tortoise, and the hare scenario, slow and steady, can indeed win the race. Performance-wise, VIG has made quite a name for itself. It has consistently shown strong returns over the years, demonstrating the power of dividend growth in action. It's like watching a small sapling grow into a mighty oak, all the while providing you with shade, or in this case, dividends. But what about diversification, you ask? Well, VIG has that covered too. It holds a variety of stocks across different sectors, helping to spread the risk. It's like having your eggs in different baskets, but all the baskets are growing. The bottom line? VIG is a popular choice for those looking to invest in U.S. dividend growth stocks. It combines the power of dividend growth with the stability of a diverse portfolio, making it a strong contender in the world of ETFs. By investing in these dividend growth ETFs, you have the potential to enhance your portfolio and generate sustainable income. Remember, we've journeyed through EUDV, EFAD, IQDG, and VIG, each offering a unique approach to dividend growth investing. But the secret sauce? your due diligence and personal research in making investment decisions. The right investment is always the one that aligns with your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Stay tuned for more insights and tips on smart investing.